Good day, bearded adventurers. It is I, the Apprentice, and today we are going to be reviewing over 3 of my favorite scents.
May your beard be forever blessed, and treasure forever upon your door.
Good day, adventurers. Like I said, today we're going to be reviewing 3 of my personal favorite scent profiles that we have here at the lab. I know that everybody has their own personal opinion, and some of you asked in a previous video to get my own personal review, my own personal opinion, and I was really happy to share that. So I'm gonna go through 3 of them, explain why I like them, what kind of connects with me personally about it. Maybe, some of you will connect personally also. So let's go through it, and in no particular order, because I'm reaching into my pouch and seeing what's what. First, we have the Inventor. This is a new one that we came out with recently, kind of a revamp of the Engineer. And I originally really liked the Engineer personally, mainly because of the citrus smell. And luckily for the Inventor, we still have this citrus smell, but when I'm going to go to smell it here. The reason why I like that one is because I am originally from Florida, and it's a place where we have a lot of citrus groves. The specific town that I lived in, it used to be covered in citrus groves, this clean outdoor smell, and every single time I smell the Inventor, that's what I think of. It kind of makes me a little homesick. It's a scent that really takes me back to my childhood, and overall, it's just clean. The nice cologne smell, it's just one of these smells that it's good to have to work into your beard in the morning and at night. Especially my wife likes it because I do smell clean going to bed also. All right, next, let's see what's here. Okay, we have next the Scribe. Now, speaking of morning and evening routines, the Scribe here, I like it because it's a good wake-up call. The coffee scent that we have here, it is, at least for me, the definition of breakfast time. It is time to wake up to start your day. It kind of rejuvenates and gets me going. It also makes me think of parchment paper at home, cozy couch blanket and everything. Nice book to have on a Sunday or Saturday morning, relaxing at home. And the next one, and our last one, which if you watched my introductory video, you probably can guess what it is, but here is Dr. Wolf. This one was one of the first ones that I got, and I just love the blueberry smell. There's no personal flashback background, anything that I have connecting with blueberry, but it is something new that I have learned to connect with, and that's why I like it. The tobacco smell to it really has this rich, almost old wood to it that I really like. Some of you might not smell the old wood, that's fine, but I do, and that's something that makes me think of the outdoors. It's one thing that I really loved when it came to Tennessee when I moved here years ago. So yeah, those are 3 of my top scents that I really enjoy, and those are kind of my reviews and personal connections to it. If you guys connect to any of those 3, comment down below. Let us know if you agree. Is there something that you disagree with? What are your personal 3 top scents that you enjoy? Maybe in the future, I can do more reviews on those scents that you guys have posted. Thank you very much for viewing this video. We really appreciate your support. If you enjoyed it, comment what your opinions are, what you feel like I should do next for our future videos. Is it review stuff? Is it showing you kind of the behind the scenes, what takes place here? Is it a how-to? What might you want to see the Apprentice or the Wizard do here at Fable Beard Co? Now, what we like to say, if you enjoy stories, trick tips, anything like that about your beard adventurer, this is the place that you want to go to. So please subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Hit that that notification bell button. You'll get updates about when a video was just posted, and we know that you're going to enjoy it very much. Again, we appreciate your support. And here at Fable Beard Co, may your beards be forever blessed, and treasure and fortune always upon your door.